Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what is considered the best Aveeno makeup remover, the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Unscented Makeup Remover Face Wipes. If you're someone with sensitive or irritated skin looking for an effective yet gentle way to remove makeup, these wipes might just become your new favorite. Aveeno has long been a trusted name in skincare, especially when it comes to products that soothe and care for sensitive skin. These makeup remover wipes are no exception. They are pre-moistened with a formula that combines oat extract and calming feverfew, ingredients known for their soothing and nourishing properties. This means while you're wiping away makeup, you're also treating your skin to ingredients that help restore its balance and calm any irritation. One of the standout features of these wipes is that they are unscented and free from potentially irritating ingredients like fragrance, parabens, alcohol, dyes, sulfates, and phthalate. This makes them ideal for those with sensitive skin who often struggle to find makeup removers that don't cause redness or dryness. The wipes are made from 100% plant-based cloth fibers, reflecting a more environmentally conscious choice without compromising on softness or effectiveness. They effortlessly remove all traces of dirt, oil, and makeup, including waterproof mascara, which is impressive for a wipe. And the best part? They leave no residue behind, so your skin feels fresh, soft, and soothed after use. Using these wipes is incredibly simple. Just gently sweep the pre-moistened cloth over your eyelids, face, lips, and neck. There's no need to rinse afterward, making it a quick and convenient step in your skincare routine, whether it's morning or night. The package reseals easily to keep the remaining wipes moist and ready for the next use. From a practical standpoint, the wipes come in a pack of 25, which is a good size for daily use and travel. The product dimensions make it compact enough to carry in your handbag or keep on your nightstand. Aveeno's Calm Plus Restore line also includes other products like a nourishing oat facial cleanser, gel moisturizer, and serum, all designed to work together to maintain healthy, balanced skin. So, if you appreciate a coordinated skincare routine, these wipes fit perfectly into that regimen. In summary, the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Unscented Makeup Remover Face Wipes combine gentle yet effective cleansing with skin-calming ingredients, making them an excellent choice for anyone with sensitive skin or those seeking a fragrance-free, nourishing makeup remover. They balance convenience with skincare benefits, living up to Aveeno's reputation for quality and care. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a soothing and efficient makeup remover from a dermatologist-recommended brand, these Aveeno wipes are worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product insights.